Ito po ang product ng Titan. So,
tingnan ko nga, sir.
with the 50 years of PBA, which we feel will be an impact, we want to come in also with an impact products. That's why we introduce our new products. This is the Titan Ultra. Titan Ultra is a medicine for ingredients for male sex. This is a new products. I think eventually, very near future na lalabas na. Kaya sinabay na namin dito sa PBA 58th anniversary.
So hindi naman kayo, hindi naman kayo nangangamba dun sa baka may mga reaction ng mga tao dahil nga yung produkto
we are concerned, but actually we feel at first it should not be on this event, but with the impact of PBA 50 years, who knows, we can be benefited from our new products. The first idea is to use the old products, but it was already in the market. Kilala na eh. So maybe this might be a help for everybody. So yan ang observation namin.
Ano ba yung mga products na
We have coffee, we have juice powder, and we have beauty products.
Sir, last na lang on my end, ano yung pinaka-goal nyo for yung team nyo? Nabanggit nyo kanina, bago, tapos complete naman yung lineup nyo.
It's admitted, this is our first year. As I say, we still have around 4 veterans players who can help and guide our rookie, and we were lucky to acquire some veterans player from other teams. So with that young group, our veterans are still young. So our goal is to have a run and gun European style. Depensa, shooter, we have lots of shooter. We attended, we follow, we apply, we submit all the documents. Medyo, I'll admit, medyo mahirap, stricto, and you have to go to the standard procedure. But we are happy. Our intention is to join talaga PBA.
So you're in it for the long run naman po yung Pure Blend?
Yes. This is going to if ever we want to stay with another 50 years. The team owner is a fighter and a basketball player who wanted to win at all costs. But eventually, we know we are a new team and we have to develop. You can not be a champion team in one year. It should be within 2 to 3 years. We will develop and train young. We will develop through drafting.
Sir, you mentioned yung drafting, how impactful yung pag-uwalak at school, and how confident are you na makakatulong agad siya sa team?
Well, as all teams needs is a big man. So yung terms namin sa second round, this is sa first round, the player we intend to draft is no longer available. But we drafted Chris Kun, which is turned out to be a diamond and a very professional player with our team. Then the second round, we were looking for big man. Again, the three big man whom we wish are already gone. So we have to settle for the best available players.
Sir, yan yung ano, ito yung product.
Ito po ang product ng Titan. So,
Tingnan ko nga, sir.
Tingnan ko, sir.